Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and in this video we are going to take a look at Air Actions using the S Pen. Okay, so I've took out the S Pen, so I'm just going to go into the S Pen Air Actions settings. Okay, so here you will find Air Actions, so let's select it. Okay, so we are in Air Actions. Okay, so choose what happens when you press and hold the pen button and do the following actions. So this is the pen button. There it is. So you can choose what you want it to do when you hold it down. So by default, when you hold it down, it's going to open the camera. Okay guys, so I'm just going to stand up the phone here. Let me just check that it's okay guys, so I've stood up the phone. Okay, so let me just press on the button, long press on it, and as you can see, it's opened the camera. Okay, so let's hold down the button and then swipe and go across. Go across again, swipe and go back. Okay, so if I swipe up, it will switch to the rear camera. If I swipe down, it will switch back to the front facing camera. And then if I press the button once, it will snap a picture. If I swipe across and press the button once, it will start to record video, as you can see. And then if I press the button again, it will stop the video recording. And then if I go like this, it will go back. And if I go like this, it will bring me to the home screen. And if I go like that, it will bring up the recent applications. And then if I go like this, it will take a screenshot, as you can see there. Okay, so let's go back into the Air Action settings. Hold on guys. Okay, so let's go back into the Air Action settings. So you can also set it to do something else, like I mentioned before. So if you don't want the camera, you can choose any other supported application. So let's try the gallery. So if I hold down the button, it will take me into the gallery. And if I go like that, it will bring me back. If I go like that, it will take me back to the home screen. And if I go like that, it will bring up the recent apps. And if I go like that, it will take a screenshot. Okay, so let's just go back into the settings one more time, and I'll show you all something else. So if you scroll all the way down here to the bottom, it'll say control what the S Pen does in camera and media apps not listed above. Okay, so you can select it to do nothing. And then if you scroll down here, you can remap any one of these gesture options. not gestures, sorry, actions. So you can remap any of the actions. So single press by default will play and pause, but you can select it to either play previous track, play next track, or volume up, volume down, or do nothing. And double press by default plays the next track, but you can remap it to do any of those. And for the gestures, you can remap what volume up does, or volume down. You can just remap it. So yeah guys, this was just my video taking a look at the air actions on the Samsung Galaxy, where's the button? S22 Ultra. Let's go back. Bring up the recent apps. And if you go like this guys, you can bring up Smart Select. So there it is, down there at the bottom, the Smart Select toolbar. And let's take a screenshot one more time. So yeah, that's it for the video guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. See you in the next one. I'm out. Doses.